Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we will be looking at my favorite communities that I am a part of. So I've been a part of a lot of communities ever since I was in my freshman year. I got involved with a lot of student communities and then open source, and then I got into teaching and all these things. And on the screen, like today, we'll talk about why you should also take part in these communities, because as a student, and I'm currently also a student, so it definitely helped me, and I'm sure it can help you as well. Speaking of open source, most of the experiences I have gotten have been via open source opportunities and skills and whatever. My public profile and all these things, meeting people from around the world, traveling the world, everything I owe everything to open source. And speaking of open source, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this video, Teleport. It's an amazing open source project, and we'll also be doing some hands-on workshops on it when we do our DevOps bootcamp. So make sure you check out the links in the description, and let's take a look at it. Are you juggling with shared secrets, SSH keys, or hopping between VPNs and multiple access points? Check out Teleport to quickly access your computing resources from anywhere. Teleport allows engineers and security professionals to unify access for SSH servers, Kubernetes clusters, web applications, and databases across all environments. With a unified resource catalog, there is no need to maintain inventories. You can also work together to troubleshoot a problem with your colleagues on a remote server or on each other's laptops, and record these sessions as well using shared sessions. Teleport also provides ready-to-use auth for your internal web applications. Easily implement security and compliance with Teleport to adopt industry best practices for access across all protocols and all environments with minimal configuration. How does it work? Teleport is a single binary which enables secure access to SSH nodes, Kubernetes clusters, web apps, and databases. Deployed as a single binary, it seamlessly integrates with the rest of your stack. Get started with Teleport now and try it for free. Check out the links in the description below for more information. So let's get started with the video. The first community we're talking about is the one that I started, Community Classroom. So the links for these are in the description. And by the way, the links for all of these communities will be in the description. And these are like very, beginner friendly communities as well. Like even beginners can apply and learn and, contribute and just get involved, showcase their knowledge and all these things. So Community Classroom, it's, I think, going to be one of the biggest communities in the world in the near coming future. I have really high hopes for this, and we're doing some amazing work. The free courses we're providing, no paid course, and no free courses can like even come close to the quality and quantity. That's not my word. Students are saying that because that was the mission behind Community Classroom. The premium courses, the support that people get, the guidance and mentorship that people get in like paid courses and paid boot camps of edtech startups, no one was providing that for free. That is true. That is the reason I got 35,000 subscribers in 3 weeks, because people saw that, okay, this dude is doing something no one else is doing. And that holds true. I'm not saying people are not doing good work. There are some amazing people doing great work, but talking about the quality and like from starting from scratch till advanced, let's say at least for data structure algorithms, no one is actually doing it for free that is going to satisfy each and every single person who watches the course. So that brings me to the other point. With Community Classroom, we bring the standard of excellence. So that's the main thing about us, and we have a lot of amazing things planned. So how do we get involved in this? Check out the links in the description. There's a Discord channel which you can join. Amazing. We are super close to 20,000 members. And join the Telegram channel, and all the other links in the description are for like the social handles. So make sure you follow all the social handles. Following social handles and getting involved is like one of the ways to show support for the community, not just for Community Classroom but all the others that we'll be talking about. So make sure you check out their social handles as well. Okay, my personal favorite, like in terms of the education sector, Major League Hacking. So as a part of the fellowship, in the very first batch of the fellowship, ever since then I've been a pod leader, helping out with admissions stuff and doing some fellowship work at like for the Facebook's production engineering track and all these things, events and workshops, and I'm also an MLH coach and all these things. So clearly like one of the most empowering communities. We empower like around 135,000 hackers around the world every year, and some amazing events and workshops and all these amazing things that happen at Major League Hacking. So one of the most inclusive communities. You can definitely get involved even right now, go to mls.io. Over there you will find all the upcoming events and the hackathons and workshops, like local host workshops, the live streams and all these things. So you can see a lot of things are going on. In addition to that, we have like the fellowship curriculum, like the fellowship, which is an internship alternative. So just an amazing organization. Really love it. So I'm involved in this organization as a coach, as a team lead for fellowship, community management, admissions team, and yeah, it has been amazing. It's just a very wholesome organization. I love it. The next organization that I'm a part of is called the GitHub Campus Expert. I became a GitHub Campus Expert in February, I believe. And GitHub Campus Experts are, people who represent, their communities. And the main mission is to empower and educate people, be that on your university or in your local campus, globally. So, for example, I'm doing what I'm doing is globally. And my mission, even as a GitHub Campus Expert or other communities that I'm a part of, is to empower people around the world. So far, the record that I would be having is like I have taught around 60,000 people ever since I was in my freshman year, both online and in person. So I used to give a lot of workshops in person. I gave around 30 to 40, I think. It was a lot. So I used to give a workshop like every week or something, every multiple times a week, and then workshops and like online. Then when COVID hit, then we started doing an online stuff, and now we're doing community classroom. So yeah, I mean, my aim is to, via all these programs who help me do good things, just to bring free and quality education to people around the world. So if your mission is to, empower your communities and how GitHub can help you in that, so definitely apply GitHub Campus Expert program. We get help in terms of mentorship, in terms of like the resources and swag and support for events and all these other things. We get a nice support. So you can see I did a video on my channel for Git and GitHub tutorial, and they showcased it on their website. It's a pretty nice support that we get, and I would highly encourage everyone to apply. One of my personal favorites, and where I also work right now, which is a Civo. So Civo.com. We are a cloud native service provider, and we provide like super fast cluster launch times. So you can spin up a cluster in like under 2 minutes. It's very fast. And the community aspect of Civo is, I think, not just me, but most of the people in the community really appreciate. So in the community part of Civo, we have some amazing things that are coming up, but you can see, you can learn, you can check out the blog posts, you can check out all these tutorials, right? The Kubernetes guides, networking guides, and Civo guides. One thing that I would highly encourage everyone to do, and this is free for all, this is like the beauty of it. No credit card required or anything. If you want to learn Kubernetes from scratch, you can sign up to Civo Academy and you can learn Kubernetes for scratch for free. No need to install, no need to download any, like, what am I saying? No need to add any credit card or whatever. Just sign up to begin. That is it. You don't need to add anything. So just look at the courses. We have our amazing team over here. We have the amazing courses. You can take the sneak peek over here. That's me, that's Sayam, Alex, Anais, Kai, so many other people. We have made this course, so you can learn on your mobile, on your tablets, or all these other things. So it is for all levels in mind, and you can try it for free as well. You can try Civo for free for 1 month. You can try it with a $250, you will get as free credit. If you're someone who wants to get into Kubernetes, I would highly recommend signing up for this. I would highly recommend it. It is the next big thing. And you will see, even from a learning point of view, how fast you'll be able to, spin up your clusters and how simple the UI is. If I just show you, you can create a new cluster, Kubernetes cluster. You can say Kunal demo or whatever. You can create instances, network default. You can choose a firewall or whatever. You can choose the size. Let's say I'm choosing small, and you can select your billing. And this is what I love about it, the Civo marketplace. So many tools and stuff, so many other projects that you can set up. If you want to set up monitoring, you can use the Prometheus operator or whatever. If you want to set up CI/CD, you can select, let's say, Litmus Chaos for management. You can have Helm, let's say, for architecture. There's so many other things, Nginx or whatever, Istio, Linkerd, and you just click on create cluster. In under 2 minutes, it will create your cluster. In under 2 minutes, you can see build time remaining and all these other things will be available to you over here. So in under 2 minutes, it's going to launch your Kubernetes cluster. It's very fast, even for like the one more thing I want to share is even the Academy has like some courses related to like the video ones. There's also KubeQuest approach to it, so you can check out all these amazing quests to actually get started with the Civo platform, so like the Civo graphical interface or the CLI or whatever. Next community is CloudNative Computing Foundation, an amazing community, and it is just like one of the most inclusive communities in the world. Even for some of the biggest projects, you can definitely contribute. So these are like some of the sandbox projects, which are like the early stage projects. We did a session on this already, so make sure you check it out. We have the graduated in incubating projects. So you can see Kubernetes over here. You can see Prometheus over here. You can see Thanos. You can see KDA, gRPC, Argo, Buildpacks, so many projects, Helm, Open Policy Agent. So these are projects. Every information is available over here, GitHub link, Stack Overflow, Twitter, and whatever. So you can go through this, and we have an open source guidance playlist over which we will be doing like some some amazing things like how to actually get started and stuff. So make sure you check it out. And yeah, I mean, that is pretty much about it. And all of these projects are, even though they are, let's say, complex, bigger projects, you can definitely contribute and get started. Community is there to help you. One more thing with CNCF that I encourage everyone to check out is CloudNative.tv. So you can go to this URL, twitch.tv/CloudNative FTN, CloudNative Foundation. So there are some amazing shows that we have ongoing. We have a show for specifically for students as well. It's called .edu that I run. We have another amazing show called, let's say, Certs Magic with Sayam. So if you want to learn about how do you get involved with certifications and all these things, we have LGTM and by David. So Fields Tested by Caslin. So they're doing some really great work. And CNCF Face Off. So it's like a really great show, and all of these different shows are a part of CloudNative TV. So I would highly encourage you all to check it out. Be that you're a beginner or a professional, there's something for everyone. So trust me, you do not want to miss out on this one. The link for this is in the description as well. So make sure if you want to show your support, make sure you hit the follow button on Twitter, and it would mean a lot to me as well, and the entire community. People who do some great work. If you can show your support and just get involved and ask questions as well. So join the sessions and ask questions and just get involved. So one thing I would highly recommend is joining the official CNCF student community. Let's say I go to CNCF students, the CNCF student community. You can join this community group. So you can see currently we have around 2,000 or 3,000 members. So pretty big, and we have so many events that we did in the past. More events are coming up, so make sure you check it out. You join this group. Make sure you give us a follow on Twitter as well. Next community, it's Kubernetes. So I started contributing to Kubernetes like in the Kubernetes Java client. That's when I first heard about Kubernetes. Then I went to like the Kubernetes Contributor Summit, KubeCon North America in San Diego. It was a lot of fun. Met a lot of amazing people, and most recently I was a shadow for Kubernetes 1.22 release team. So we have actually made a related to this, like the CNCF projects and Kubernetes contribution part and everything. I created a video called Open Source Programs You Can Apply to. Make sure you check it out. It's in the guidance playlist. It is definitely going to help you quite a lot because I mentioned some amazing open source programs and internships that you can take part in. Even though Kubernetes is one of the biggest projects, it's very beginner friendly as well. There are some of the non-code contributions you can do as well. Like non-code contributions mean like you don't even need to know coding and you can do some valuable contributions. So I've been very involved with the SIG marketing, and I'm also speaking at KubeCon North America this year. We're going to be speaking about how students can get involved, and we'll also be speaking about like rocking non-code contributions. So make sure you register for KubeCon North America as well. Next one, I did on Kubernetes community. I've done a lot of collaborations with them. They're doing some amazing work. Shout out to Bart. He does some amazing, rap videos as well. Okay, so you can check out the community over here, and they have some nice, we have some nice interns as well who does some amazing work. The blogs is here about, and the community part, and you can join the Slack channel, view the playlist, check out the YouTube channel. They do some really great work. Last but definitely not least, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors. How am I involved with this one? For this one, I'm a gold Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador for the India region. And this was one of the first communities I was a part of as a student. met some amazing people. This is actually was my stepping stone into the education community sector. I would highly encourage everyone to apply for this program as well. It's an amazing program, and I learned a lot. I met a lot of amazing people. We have done some amazing work, and it has just been it has just been amazing. So yeah, I mean that is pretty much about it. Those are all the communities, and I'll leave all the links in the description. If you like this video currently, please make sure you subscribe and share with your friends as well. Only thing I would like to share is that I'm a student. Okay, I haven't graduated yet. I'm a student. I just crossed my third year. My fourth year hasn't even started yet, and I've been a part of so many amazing communities. These are very welcoming. You just need to show the will to learn and explore. Learn in public. Check out the handles in the description. If you want to support my work, you can follow me on socials or share about the good work we do with the students. So this is an announcement. We have a complete data science algorithms bootcamp. More bootcamps are to be coming, and some amazing things for the community are yet to come. Always free for everyone, like for every student. No gated content or everything ever. So yeah, it's going to be free for all, and free does not mean that the quality will be compromised. Quality will be top notch, and we have an amazing Discord community. So just get involved, follow, and join the Discord and Telegram channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.